The question here states the volume of a cone is same as that of the cylinder whose height is 9 centimeter and diameter 40 centimeter. Find the radius of the base of the cone if its height is 108 centimeter. So for the cylinder, you have height. Let's say call it H1 is 9 centimeter, right? And diameter of the base, that is radius, let's call this R1. Diameter of this base of the cylinder is 40 centimeter. That means the radius of the base is 20. Right? So what should be the volume of the cylinder? Pi R1 square H1, right? Which is equal to pi. We'll put the value of pi later. R1 here is 20 and H1 is 9. Okay. So you're getting here, we have 400 into 9. That means 3600 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. Now for the cone. Now if you read the question from the first, it said volume of the cone is same as that of a cylinder. That means volume of cylinder is equal to volume of the cone, whose height is 9 centimeter and diameter 40 centimeter. That means height of cylinder 9 centimeter, we already noted. Diameter of the cylinder 40 centimeter, that is radius 20 centimeter, we have already noted. You need to find the radius of the cone whose height is 108. So height here H2 of the cone is given as 108 centimeters. You need to find that radius of the cone. Okay, so therefore, what should be the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi. Let's call the radius of this as R2 square H2, right? Let's write here radius is equal to R2, right? So I have 1/3 pi R2 square H2 is 108. Okay, so I think this will cancel here 36 times. So you get here 36 pi R2 square. Okay. And now it is given that volume of the cone is equal to volume of the cylinder, right? So that means these two must be equal. Volume of the cone, the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cone here we have 36 pi R2 square. And the volume of the cylinder is 3600 pi. So that means R2 square is 3600 pi divided by 36 pi. Right? So now this pi and pi is going to cancel here, and this will cancel 100 times. So getting R2 square is equal to 100. That means R2 is equal to square root 100, which is 10 centimeters. So therefore, the radius of the cone is 10 centimeters. Okay. Any other question from mensuration that you would like me to solve? Anything, any doubts that you have on previous sum that I have solved? Otherwise, I can move to the next topic.